and grind. It's good for your mind. Twist and shout. Let it all hang out, but you won't fool the children of the revolution. No, you won't fool the children of the revolution. No, no, no. Well, hi there, pluckers. I've a sore fingers again with yet another T.Rex classic song for you, and it's Children of the Revolution, of course. Okay, it's a nice simple-ish way of playing this song, not saying exactly right, but it's fairly close. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as T.Rex original recordings. Okay, so it starts off with an E chord. Okay, and the classic riff is basically all I'm doing is I take the E chord and then taking my fingers off and hitting the open strings on the thicker strings, 6, 5, 4, possibly 3. Okay, but that's that sort of thing, right? Bam, bam, and then you take the fingers off and then hammer back in again. Okay. And then finally you put that finger up to the 3rd fret on the bottom E string, top couple of strings, 6th string, 5th string, and then back to the E. Okay, so it's slow that right down for you. Got the idea? Hopefully you have. Just a case of getting the feel for it, taking his fingers on, off, okay? And then it goes into the verse, so let's just, you do 2 lots of that. We can bump and grind. It's good for your mind. Twist and shout. Let's all hang out, but you won't fool the children of the revolution. No, you won't fool the children of the revolution. No, no, no. Right, so the chorus. So you just play that sort of. You can bump and grind, ba 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 ba. So hammering from the open strings, right? You can bump and grind. It's good for your mind. You're going to twist and shout. Let it all hang out, but you won't. G, C, Children of the River, A minor illusion, and then a quick G to A minor. Back to the beginning. Right, so let's just go through the chorus again. But you, G, won't fool, C, the children of the river, A minor illusion. No is G, no, A minor, U, back to G. Won't fool the children of the revolution. No, no, no. And so on, just repeats more of the same. Okay, so nice, simple-ish song for you there. Thanks very much for watching, listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson.